Today we're making a Turkish spring lamb and orzo rice pilaf, perfect for Easter. It serves 4 and takes about 45 minutes from start to finish. Let's get cooking. Let's quickly go over the ingredients. 1.5 cups long grain rice, rinsed. Fluffy grains will carry all the flavors. 8 ounces of lamb, diced into half-inch cubes. Tender bites that make this pilaf festive. 1/3 cup of orzo. It toasts up golden for classic Turkish pilaf. 1 small onion, finely chopped for sweet depth. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Richness for toasting the orzo. 1 tablespoon of olive oil to brown the lamb. 2.5 cups of warm chicken or lamb stock. This steams the rice to perfection. 3/4 cup of frozen green peas for a spring pop. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh dill for freshness. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest to brighten the pilaf. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt to season in stages. 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper for gentle warmth. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the 1.5 cups of rice under cold water until it runs mostly clear. Then soak it in fresh cold water for 15 minutes. Drain the rice well in a fine mesh strainer and let it sit for 5 minutes to dry. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a wide pan over medium-high. Add 8 ounces of diced lamb with 1/4 teaspoon of the salt and sauté until nicely browned, about 4 to 5 minutes. Transfer the browned lamb to a bowl and keep the pan with its drippings for the pilaf. Lower the heat to medium, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1/3 cup of orzo, and sauté, stirring, until the orzo turns deep golden, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 small chopped onion and sauté until it turns translucent, about 2 minutes. Add the drained rice and sauté, stirring gently until the grains look glossy and lightly toasted, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in 2.5 cups of warm stock. Add the remaining 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Give it 1 stir and bring to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover tightly, and simmer for 12 minutes. Do not lift the lid. Lift the lid quickly. Scatter the 8 ounces of browned lamb and 3/4 cup of frozen peas evenly over the rice, and cover again without stirring. Keep it on low for 3 more minutes to steam the lamb and peas. Turn off the heat and let the pilaf rest, covered, for 10 minutes so the grains set. Uncover and gently fluff the rice with a fork, folding in the lamb and peas until evenly distributed. Sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of chopped dill and fold just to combine. Cover once more for 2 minutes to let the herbs perfume the pilaf. Mound the pilaf on a warm platter and serve right away. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Easter-ready Turkish pilaf, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick videos.